Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to install the ChatGPT extension for Google Chrome. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and open up google.com and search for the following thing. Type in ChatGPT extension Chrome. Go ahead and type in that guys, and as you can see, the first result right here that we have is ChatGPT for Google. So guys, go ahead and click on this option right here, and this will bring you to this page where you'll be able to add this extension to your to your Chrome. So guys, go ahead and click Add to Chrome. And as you can see guys, they now confirm that you want to add this extension right here to your Google Chrome, and guys, now this extension has been added. So guys, let's go ahead and test it. So guys, let's go into a new tab and let's type in a question that we have. So let's say we want to know how quantum computers work. So type in how do quantum computers work, and go ahead and search for any question that you want guys. And now as you can see here on the right side of the page, as you can see, ChatGPT will give us an answer for our question. As you can see, now it's typing out how quantum computers work. You can ask them anything you want and they will give you an answer on the right side of your screen. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you add the extension. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.